When does the 30-day window for a board appointment begin? So this is actually a very unsettled area of law and what many would refer to as a gray area. So one might assume that the clock starts to tick as soon as a vacancy occurs, but nobody really has decided when a vacancy actually does occur. So neither statute nor case law is very definitive on this topic. However, most of the authority which does address appointments and resignations supports the principle that the time period in most cases does not begin until the board has had an opportunity to accept the resignation at a meeting, rather than the date that the resignation was submitted or backdated. So much of the case law which addresses this topic is very county specific. Some cases hold that a public official's resignation is not effective unless and until it is accepted by the authority having the power to appoint a replacement. In one older county court decision involving a vacancy on a township board of supervisors, the court concluded that the clock actually began to run as soon as the resignation was submitted, and then criticized the board of supervisors for trying to manipulate the situation by refusing to act on the resignation. Since, township and borough codes have been updated pretty regularly to clarify this issue. However, the school code has not been updated to clarify. Vacancies created by death or moving out of the district or election region, the same argument can be made that the clock should not start to run until the board as a whole body has had the opportunity to formally acknowledge the event at a meeting. However, there are arguments that upon death or appointment to another office, that would immediately trigger the 30-day window. So we find that the safer course is to calculate the 30 days as starting when the death or removal becomes known to the board.